Hey guys, Kim Wolf here with Affiliate Marketing Informant. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Approvely widget to a landing page that is created and managed by Thrive Themes. So you can see that I have my widget here, and what I want to do is I want to create a sense of belonging and kind of just social proof for a landing page that I have that is going to an affiliate offer. So if you know me and you know my channel, then you know that we believe in the affiliate marketing business model, and that is what we use to make money online. And the reason I bought this is because these notification sort of pop-up boxes are known and proven to help increase conversion to traffic to your website pages, landing pages, whatever kind of pages that you own and you can add the code to, right? So let me show you what it looks like. So this is my notification created by Approvely here, and it's essentially the visitor notification. So it's just showing when people are actually visiting the page. And this is the actual page that I added the widget on. So I'm going to refresh the page. The widget's going to go away because I have it set for 5 seconds. So it's about to pop up here. There you go. And it's showing you that 2 people are actually viewing this page. Now, just to be clear, those 2 people are me. I have 2 pages open, but I want you to see what it looks like. This page itself is actually managed by Thrive Themes. So I use Thrive Themes as my landing page builder, and it's connected to my WordPress website. And I like Thrive Themes. It just gives me everything I need. It makes it easy for me to manage the pages because it's connected to my WordPress website. So I'm not having to manage pages in a separate builder, right? Page builder, and in addition to the pages on my WordPress website. And it turned out to be actually pretty easy to do. So let me show you how this works. All right, so what you do is you're going to come into your WordPress website. So if you're here, this assumes that you have Thrive Themes. You just want to know how to embed the Approvely, basically widget, onto your Thrive Themes landing page. Okay, so I have another video that shows you how to put this notification on your actual website pages. So anything that is managed by WordPress, I have another video for that. I'll put it up on the screen. So if you need that version, you can go check it out. But this is very specifically to pages that are managed by Thrive Themes, okay? And this is what you do. So you're going to come into basically the edit with Thrive Themes sort of section here. So let me go to Approvely here. Once you have this created, you're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to have 2 pieces of tracking code. So this first tracking code is actually what you need to put on the actual page, the landing page. It's going to track when people are actually viewing the page. So you're going to select that. You're going to come here and copy. Then you're going to go to your Thrive Themes page editing like you see here. Come to the little settings bar right here. You're going to come into an option like this, right? You're going to come into advanced settings, and then you're going to come to custom scripts. Now, the first script that I just selected, so this one right here, per the training, the video that I just watched, this needs to go into the body section. So Thrive Themes makes it really easy, and you actually have multiple sections that you can put the scripts. So that one that I just showed you is right here. You're going to put that in the body header scripts section, okay? Then you have another script, which is this right here. This is actually going to embed the actual pop-up box, the widget right here. So you're going to copy that, come back to Thrive Themes, and then that code is going to go into your header script. So just to be clear, this is going to go into the body section, which is right here. So you just literally just paste it into here. That's going to be Command V on a Mac. And then this one, which is the actual widget, that one is going to be pasted into the header section, which once again, you can just do Command V and you put it in there. So that is it. Once you save your work, voila, it will actually appear like this, and it will only show up on this page. So therefore I could create different widgets for different pages. And as you know, with Approvely, you can create different types of widgets. So this one specifically is the visitor one, but if I wanted to do announcements or timers or anything else, you can do that per page because Thrive Themes allows you to embed different scripts for each page. So pretty cool, huh? So hopefully this video helps you out. If you have any questions, just definitely comment below. And if you're interested in getting Approvely, then definitely check it out through my link below. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.